biggest impact that I think for you all is going to be the reason why you want to simplify is if you're operating with complexities, you have less time to think. The front end of innovation is not ideas. Everyone has ideas. Everyone has good ideas, bad ideas, terrible ideas, but they've got ideas. The problem is they don't have time. Simplicity creates the space for the thinking and innovation to happen. If you don't have time to think and you don't have simplicity, you're not going to innovate. You have a huge opportunity to become even bigger and to take a lot of people, boom, off guard if you operate with simplicity. Thinking has become a daring act in a lot of companies because they're too busy, right? Doing is more valued than thinking. And thinking is something that we do, it's nice to do. You sneak it on your calendar, right? Like I'm gonna mark time on my calendar and I'm gonna call it something else and I'm gonna, spend time thinking. Why are we sneaking it on our calendar? That's so silly.